Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. In this particular video, we'll discuss about how we can create rooms, how we can create automatic rooms for our floor plans, and how we can control our room schedules, how we can delete rooms and those kind of stuffs in this particular video. So let's start. So for that one, in the project browser at the first place, first of all, I do not know right now in this particular project we are having rooms or not. Okay, so I'm not cross-checking one by one. I'll directly go in my project browser. I'll click on schedules right here, right click on that one, click on new schedules and quantities. I'll directly go for the category for which I want to create my schedule. So in this case, I'm going for rooms. So I'll click on rooms right here. I can name my schedule whatever I want. So for example, in this case, I just want a room schedule dash 01. I'll click on OK. Okay, the next dialog box will be opened where I can select the parameters for rooms, whatever I want. So right now, for in this case, I want to go for room names. For example, room name. Let's go for number, volume, and probably let's go for area and let's go for level as well. Okay, so that we can filter out based on the level. So level will be third and area will be fourth. Like that way I want. I'll click on OK. Now, okay, right now we are not having any single room in this particular project. Okay, so I'll go for level 2 again. I want to create some rooms right here. But this kind of things are showing. So what it is, if I'll select this one, these are the spaces. Okay, so what I'll do is that I want to create rooms. So there are two ways of creation of the rooms. Either you will go manually or you can go for automation. So we'll go for both the things. So for example, if you are having proper boundaries already selected based on your architectural model, you can create multiple rooms based on the boundaries. Okay, right now in this particular case, if you want to go for rooms one by one, so what you can do is that click on room right here. Okay, in this one right now my rooms are not visible. So for that one, my view template is applied. So I'll click on manage view template. This kind of dialog box will be open to show the rooms. Okay, so I'll go and VG overrides model, click on add it. I'll go right here. I'll turn on my rooms, click on OK, click on OK. My rooms are visible. So what I did is that it's very simple. Let me show you by other way as well. Let me press skip command right now. Scroll down, if you see right here is a mechanical floor plan. So if I'll click on that one, this kind of same dialog box will be opened and you can go for edit and you can select your rooms are turned on or not. The same thing I did right now. I just turn on all the rooms. Now I'll click on room command right here and I can select like for this boundary line. If you see right here, you can see this boundary is selected. For that one, the room will be created. Okay. So I'll click on right here. I can select whatsoever name I want to give. So I'll press command, skip command. I'll select the room again. And this is default room one. So I want to give this one as dining room, for example, one. Okay. I'll click outside so that it will be selected properly. And I can go so on for different rooms. Okay. That's one way. Or let me delete this one. I wanted to create automatically. So for that one, what I'll do is that I'll go on architectural tab again, click on rooms, and then you can see room place room automatically. If I'll click on that one, it'll take a couple of seconds and it'll create rooms based on that one. So if you'll see an entire floor plan, I can see 30 rooms are created, but only for level 2 because right now I'm working on level 2. Okay, so if I'll go in my schedule, that is right here, room schedule 1, you'll be able to see all the rooms right here. But there's very important thing. If you see right here, dining room 1, that we deleted right at the first place, but it is showing right here as well. So please keep that in mind every time. If you are deleting your any kind of rooms from floor plan, it will not be deleted from your schedule. So if you want to delete rooms properly, please make sure to delete the same one from your schedule. Okay, so if I want to delete this dining room actually, so I'll click on that one. I'll click on delete command from right here, click on OK. That is how it will be deleted. Okay, please make sure that one. Now I'll go in my floor plan again. Sorry, additionally let me go in my schedule. Right now you can see from 2 to 31 we are having 30 rooms, right? I can rename whatsoever name I want to go for, like bedroom, and whatsoever name you want to give, you can give from right here itself. Okay, the area is based on whatsoever boundary. It's right here. Volume based on what parameter. Okay, we'll discuss on that one. But at the first place, you can see the level is level 2. We did not give the level 2, right? From where it is taken based on your floor plan on which you are creating the rooms. Right now, we are getting a level 2. That is why I had taken the base level is level 2. Okay, for example, if I'll go for level 1 block 43, and right here, for example, you will create a room. For example, you will create a room default thing that will take the base level, level 1 block 41 43. Sorry, if I'll go in my room schedule, you'll be able to see the same. You'll see right here in level, it's level 1 block 43. I'll go and filter. I can filter out based on my level for which I want to cross checking. So I'll be cross checking for level 2 only. Click on OK. It'll be hide. It'll be hide, not deleted. Okay. Now, if I'll go in my level 2 again, uh, I'll select this particular space, or let me hide this one, temporary hide. So I'll press sh command. If I'll select my room again, I can change the top limit. Okay. So for example, I do not want to go till the level 3's base offset. I want to go for a bit lower than level 3 slab. Okay. So for that one, what I'll do is that I'll go for level 2, 10 feet probably. Okay, so it means I'll not touch level 3 slab. What I'm saying is that let me press Control Z command so that I'll show you that one. So it is right now touching level 3 slab. Why I'm saying this one? It's very simple. Let me cut a section. I don't know how much it'll take, but let me cut a small section. Probably it'll take a less second to create this one because this is a very heavy file. But what I want to convey to you, okay, it's this time. So I'll go for right here, right click on this one, click on go to view, and then we'll see what I was seeing. Okay. So right now we are at level 2 and level 3, right? So if I'll see right here, this is level 2. If we'll see right here, level 2, 0 offset. And if I'll go for level 3, probably, yeah, this one is level 3, 0 offset. Okay. Now, what I was saying that my level right now, not this one, sorry, this is the space. So let me go in with rotate graphics, turn off all the categories except my rooms. Okay. So I'll click on rooms, click on OK. Now, right now, if I'll select this one, if I'll see right here, this one, this is the same level, right? Room 30. If I'll go right here in level 2 as well, this is room 30. Okay. So if I'll go in section again, you can see right here, this is level 2, 0 offset, right? Because the base offset is 0. Now, if you'll see right here, this is at the slab of level 3. Why I'm saying this one, this is level 3's FL kind of thing. Okay. But for example, I don't want to touch with the slab. I want to go a little bit below because I'm using my full ceiling. So for that one, what I'll do is that I'll go right here in limit offset and I'll go from it. For example, I want to go till 9 feet only. So you can see that's how we can reduce this one. So that's how we can control the offsets of level of the room. Sorry, at the level thing. So as I did that thing, my room schedule will automatically change for room number 30 as well. So this is my room number 30, and that will be changed from right there. So I think you get the idea how we can create room and those kind of stuffs. Thanks a lot guys for watching this video. Let's meet in my next video.